I am at 3127 West 17th Street in the Tremont neighborhood. More new construction to come here. We've got these lots right here that will be built on. That is Buer Elementary, and we've got another new house across the street. Let's head inside. This nice wood siding here. Walk into a very nice entry. Tile floor, herringbone style. Got some seating, some storage. This is actually an electric panel here. Come into the living room. Again, new construction with 15-year tax abatement. A lot of green features to keep your utility bills low. Kitchen, nice island, 4 seating in there. Tile backsplash. All kitchen appliances included. And then that microwave is also a vent, and that is vented outside. So we have a dining area back here with a sliding glass door to a little deck, which leads to your yard and your 2-car garage. Half bath, coat closet, your side entry, and laundry area. Let's head upstairs to the bedroom level. So we've got 3 bedrooms in this house. The main bath, which is a tub with a tile surround. Bedroom number 1. All the bedrooms have ceiling fans. They're very nice ones too. Open, got an open stairwell here, which is really nice. Just the light is just flooding in here. Bedroom 2. And we'll head into the owner's suite, which starts right here. You've got closets here on this side and closet on this side. So lots of closet space, which is great. Nice size room. And then you have your own bathroom, an ensuite bathroom with quartz counters, double vanity, and tile walk-in shower. Very nice. So your mechanical systems, such as your hot water and your furnace, are in the crawl space. So there's no basement, and it's not on a slab. There is actually the crawl space, which we'll go check out. So side door, it's the kitchen looking into the living room. And this is our crawl space. Okay, this will work. But so your furnace is here, your hot water tank is back there, and it's actually not a tank, it's a tankless hot water system. So this is a great place for storage.